My name is General Hannibal Barca, and as you can see from the caption below, I was ruler of the Kingdom of Carthage in Northwest Africa. Have you ever wondered where that old kingdom is today? Well, it's called Carthage, Missouri, and still in Northwest Africa. They kept the name and changed the history. They even got a town named after me, Hannibal, Missouri. But the devil and the advocates will tell you something different. I was Rome's biggest enemy. I marched a herd of elephants across the Alps just to kick them in the ass. That's right, kick them in the ass. I kept this size 14 boot in Napoleon's ass. Their history will say something else. They will say he kicked my ass. Huh? Gave his weak ass hemorrhoids. They blamed it on him riding in the saddle so long. You're right. This size 14 boot up his ass. Listen, Moors, lead the people right. And don't be afraid to speak the truth. The devil is all around you. Believe me. I took my own life to show Rome. You have no power over me. I will take my own life before I let you do it. Now fuck you. That's exactly what I told him. The rest is history. Y'all take care now and show some love to mankind and each other.